Welcome to the Hardware Stack for December 30, 2025. Today, we're covering 4 important stories from the world of science and technology. Nvidia's $20 billion Groq IP deal bolsters AI market domination, hardware stack, and key engineer behind Google TPUs included in bombshell agreement. Nvidia has announced a $20 billion deal to acquire Groq's intellectual property, though not the company itself, and absorb key members of its engineering team. According to Tom's Hardware, world's smallest autonomous robots are smaller than a grain of salt, cost 1 penny apiece. Researchers expect new micron-scale, fully programmable robots to be used in medicine, microscale manufacturing, and other areas. Fully programmable autonomous robots, smaller than a grain of salt, have been developed by research teams from the University of Pennsylvania and the University of Michigan. According to Tom's Hardware, TSMC begins quietly volume production of Secomolex chips. First GAA transistor for TSMC claims up to 15% improvement at ISO power. TSMC has quietly begun volume production of its Secomolex Necomolax N2 process in Q4 2025 as planned, marking the company's first GAA nanosheet node that will be ramping production at 2 new fabs to meet strong demand from various customers. According to Tom's Hardware, Lisuan's G100 series has reportedly begun shipping out to customers in first batch of deliveries. China's first homegrown 6nm GPUs are no longer a show floor exclusive. China's first 6nm class discrete GPUs, the G100 series from Lisuan, has apparently started to ship out to customers months after their initial announcement. These GPUs, if as performant as claimed, hold the potential to fuel China's self-reliance ambitions in producing homegrown alternatives to Nvidia and AMD. According to Tom's Hardware, thanks for listening to The Hardware Stack. Join us next week for more updates from the world of science and technology.